leak is coming from here. The lid is off now, as you see. But the funny thing is, oops, I don't think this is that good. As this coil is not burnt, this is from another thing I did. This one is kind of burnt, but I think it's because one screw is gone. It was a little bit left of it inside here, but I've taken it out. I don't know where it is now. I need to fix that one again. Of course, there are some developing issues. This one though is KTM's Achilles heel of this engine, oil leak. I will fix that now. That's an easy disregard for that. But this one, my homemade stator made its choice to not cooperating. And no big issue anyway. I thought it was overheated, but not. Yes, it was heated, but not of the reason. This screw came loose, and this was still stuck. And this one went out and scored a little bit right in there. And the friction burnt the metal, what do you call this, for a transformator, it's called something. So I needed to refurbish that one. I got that, we can look at now.
Dark-ass moon. I was out chasing the thrill. It went wrong against my will. Got home fixing the steel. Now it screams wounds to heal. The engine's heart begins to yearn. Lesson hard that I must learn. The need for speed is satisfied. Only left to get it tuned. Burning through night I ride underneath the dark-ass moon. Burning through the night I ride underneath the dark-ass moon. The engine's heart begins to yearn. A lesson hard that I must learn. The need for speed is satisfied. Burning through night I ride
It's hard finding neutral when the engine is running, even though the clutch is working. Well, I laid a little bit of rubber, not much. Fire hot now. And I've got RPM limiter set very early. Only at 10.5, 11,000. I don't know, I never changed it. So there are a lot more upwards. That's why when I was doing a burnout, I couldn't get it to it like bogging when going down too low, because I wasn't having any wide power band to keep it in when the tire was spinning. And the shifting gears is rev limiter. So I'll place this camera in the, let's see if it leaks any oil. Yeah, of course it does. It leaks oil everywhere, this engine. Ooh, I don't know, I know where it is. It's like this sealant. I never changed those two. I need to fix that. But this side seems dry though. Is this any hot? No, not any hot from flywheel. Cylinder is much more hot.